and welcome back to Northern Waters Cleansing Co.'s YouTube channel. Today's video is 36 pounds of dragon's blood cold processed soap. In total, I'm actually making 5 of these batches to meet a large order that I received earlier in the year. I've worked with this fragrance before, and it definitely does discolor. There's some vanillin in the fragrance. So what I did was I fragranced the black portion of the soap, but the colored portions I left unfragranced so that the colors wouldn't change. I'm going for a really dramatic red and orange sort of color in this soap, so I don't want those colors to be dulled in any way by the vanillin. This is part of my series on creating detailed soap designs on a much larger level. So for example, what you're going to see me pour today will create about 124 bars versus my other method of doing it, which would only create 20 to 40 bars at once. So I hope that you stick around and watch the video. I think the resulting soap is beautiful, and I can't wait myself until it's totally cured and I can use it in my shower. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.